In the colorful town of Reading Creek, where the skies seemed to smile and butterflies wore tiny glasses, there lived a special girl named Mimi. Mimi was no ordinary girl. Her bright yellow cottage, with teal windows, puffed out chimney smoke in shapes like stars and ice cream cones. Mimi was a potion maker. Not a witch or wizard, just Mimi, with big round glasses and a leather-bound book of potions, often found stirring something sparkly in her bubbling cauldron. Her best friend, Jasper, loved adventure and frogs, proudly calling himself Mimi's official frog catcher and snack taster. One peaceful afternoon, a golden envelope floated down from the sky and landed, plop, on Mimi's potion table. To Mimi, keeper of the curious, inside is a recipe for the most magical potion, the potion of possibilities. It can change anything. Use just any drop. Use it wisely. P.S. Mix only when the moon is giggling and the wind smells of cinnamon. Jasper sniffed the breeze. Smells like cinnamon. And tonight was a giggly moon night. The potion required ingredients as rare as unicorn hiccups, a giggle from a sleeping baby, a tear of laughter, a feather from a dancing goose. Sunlight caught in a bubble, one blueberry from the tallest tree. They spent days collecting them. Jasper juggled rubber ducks until baby Daisy giggled. Mimi made Jasper laugh until tears flowed. Together, they got a feather from Farmer Fred's dancing goose, Gloria. They caught a sunbeam in a bubble at sunrise. Jasper bravely picked the juiciest blueberry from the tallest tree. Finally, they were ready. Back at the cottage, Mimi's hands shook with excitement. "One drop," she whispered. But Mr. Nibbles, her hamster, knocked her elbow, and splash! 5 drops fell into the cauldron. Suddenly, Reading Creek turned magical. Mimi's shoes became jelly. Jasper's hair turned fluffy like clouds. Flowers started beatboxing. Spoons juggled mid-air. Though fun at first, soon maths lessons vanished as numbers ran away. The mayor's mustache danced during speeches. Things weren't as cheerful anymore, and Mimi was worried. They needed a fix. A tiny page from an old journal offered a solution: to undo a potion of possibilities, gather 1, a moment of kindness 2, a sincere apology 3, a sound from the heart. They realized it was about emotions, not just ingredients. Mimi and Jasper spread kindness, helping neighbors and cheering up the town. In the square, Mimi apologized, "We got carried away," and Jasper played a gentle tune. The wind blew softly, returning normalcy. Except, flowers whispered poetry. Gloria still danced. Cats sang lullabies before bed. Not everything should go back, Jasper said, smiling. Mimi labeled the potion bottle, handle with heart. Now, when anyone in Reading Creek felt down or confused, they sought Mimi and Jasper. For stories, music, kindness, and biscuits. And Mr. Nibbles. He finally learnt to read. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.